see about the DD-based video. The topic is designing a user-friendly mobile banking app. So there are 5 stages. First one, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The students will explain about the empathize stage. Yes.
Empathize first stage is empathize. The first step is empathize. The first step is to understand the user needs and the challenges and the expectation of the mobile banking app. Activities user how we use the existing banking app and conduct the interviews and the surveys and the important payments. Example finding user struggles to find the important features and the senior citizens are difficult to see the text too small. How people are used worry about the security while paying online payment. The user wants fast transaction and fewer settings. How to clear understand the user problem and the expression.
So how the people identify the existing system and overcome to the new system, how they can be used, how can be implemented in the future enhanced features. So we need to identify the pain points. That is the customer pain point. In that, this is the empathize stage. The next stage is the define stage. How to reframe the problem based on the empathize stage. This next one.
Define based on the research, the problem statement. User need mobile banking app that is very simple and secure, easy to navigate and control the apps. Then the question is how might we create the banking app that allows the user of all stages to perform transactions quickly and safely. The outcome of the defense stage is a focused problem statement that get a design process.
We need to reframe the problem to narrow down the problem. What are to be enhanced, what are the new features to be added. In the idea stage, how the ideas to be given using the brainstorming section.
Next stage is ideate. Is used for generate ideas and possible idea stage. First thing, simple over screen with possible essential and one-click money transfer and fingerprint for login and face area also used for login. Voice comments for accessibility.
So in the idea stage, generate the new ideas. The new ideas to be implemented using the brainstorming session. What are the new ideas to be gathered? What are the user people will be maybe used? The ideas to be implemented, the customer is easy to understand what is going on there. Yes, the next stage is prototype. How the after idea stage, how is implemented in the model will be created and implemented in the prototype stage. Prototype stage. Create a basic version of an app to demonstrate the idea. Prototype feature, home screen showing account balance, large button for send money, pay bills, scan and pay, transaction history, biometric login, simple and clean layout, easy navigation with minimal step, outcome. Yes. A low-cost model that user can try and provide feedback on. For every application, the user interface is important to interact the people. So for this user-friendly mobile banking app, the user interface is in the interactive way. For send money, pay bills, scan and pay, transaction history. For this step, we can use the large button to to understand that using the image. We need to explain about the what is going on there. Yes, first we need to give the section about the mobile battery user app. The next stage is test stage.
I'm going to tell about testing. Testing means collecting feedback from the user, like check the bank balance of the user, scan, pay the bills, transfer the money, and to collect the feedback from the user, like increase the font size, like user can definitely
Yes, in the test stage, easy to use. Like all the model will be created and implemented in the test stage, whether it is working or not. The user able to understand that what is the payment, easy to pay the amount to the grocery for bank loan applications. Next one, any groceries or any food items you need to buy using the Zomato app, we need to be able to buy it in GPay as well as the PhonePe. These are the applications installed in the mobile banking app. Yes. So these are the 5 stages